I've heard many talk about wanting to get into cybersecurity in 2024, but is it the right career choice for you? Let's dig into this and talk about it. When discussing cybersecurity, people often fantasize about the thrill of hacking or the excitement of thwarting a ransomware attack in real time. But there is so much more to that in cybersecurity. There are a ton of domains beyond risk assessment and security operations, and choosing a particular domain can be extremely difficult for some. The field of cybersecurity is dynamic and constantly evolving. As technology advances, methodologies become more sophisticated and laws adapt. This constant change means that what you learn today might soon be outdated, so staying current is crucial, particularly with emerging trends like AI, which, despite some resistance, is shaping the future of the field. If you're not keen on continuous learning and adapting to the latest tech, cybersecurity may not be the ideal career for you. Cybersecurity professionals often need to be always on, depending on your role. So in other words, you might find yourself working non-standard hours, including overnight shifts, holidays, or even being on call, potentially disrupting your sleep. However, some roles within the field do offer a more traditional 9 to 5 schedule, so it is important to choose your domain wisely. There is a misconception that cybersecurity is only for the highly technical. While technical skills are extremely beneficial, they are not necessary for all domains. For instance, governance, risk, and compliance, aka GRC roles, don't require extensive technical expertise. But it will be beneficial if you are technical and can break down the technical concepts and communicate that to a non-technical audience. For example, why might an external server with RDP exposed to the internet be a risk for the organization? When it comes to cybersecurity, what's more crucial is having an analytical and inquisitive mindset. Curiosity fuels the continuous learning that is necessary in this field. It makes diving into logs, unraveling how an attacker breached the system, and understanding the mechanics of a threat both easier and more engaging. Problem solving and curiosity makes the field not only manageable, but also enjoyable. You gotta love what you do to be successful in any job, but this is especially true in cybersecurity. Without these traits, you might still succeed, but the level of personal fulfillment could significantly be less, and burnout may happen quicker than you expect. To summarize, working in a cybersecurity field can be highly stressful but rewarding, and it might not be right for everybody, especially for those who are not keen on continuous learning and have resistance adapting to the latest tech. That is it for the video, and I hope you found that informative. Let me know if cybersecurity is right for you, and if it is, feel free to sign up for free mentorship on my site at MyDFIR.com, or you can click on the link in the description down below. Remember to stay curious and do things differently.